Good morning. Welcome to Cal State LA. Here again with Chef Will. Glad to invite you guys back into our demo. So today we're going to do Bionico, which is another word for fruit salad. Okay, so today we're going to start out with some fresh ingredients that you get locally at your grocery store. We have some sliced strawberries, blackberries, diced cantaloupe, diced pineapple, condensed sweet milk, shredded coconut, also granola. So first we're gonna combine our fresh fruit. Got a vessel here. We're gonna do 4 ounces of strawberries, 4 ounces of blackberries, 4 ounces of the cantaloupe. Smells so good and sweet, guys. 4 ounces of the pineapple, 2 ounces of the condensed milk. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine. We're gonna mix it together so it's all coated and combined. Had a little hassle there. Okay, as you can see, it's all combined. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna top it with a little coconut. And then a little granola. Voila. The fruit salad is done. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Boogly boogly beep.